Good day, everyone. In today's video, we'll learn about in social and cultural dimension and social injustice and humanitarian crisis. Introduction in social injustice is referred to unfair practices or social imbalance that in disadvantage in certain groups based on race and gender and class and religion or other factors is a manifest in tough discrimination, inequality, marginalization, and lack of access to resource or opportunities. So I choose Yemen country to know what we have in social injustice. Yemen is still suffering in one of the world's worst humanitarian crises. Save the Children is the largest aid and organization in the Yemen focusing on protecting the children and advocating for an end to the 9-year conflict. So I choose Yemen country to know what we have in social injustice. Yemen is still suffering in one of the world's worst humanitarian crises. Save the Children is the largest aid and organization in the Yemen focusing on protecting the children and advocating for an end to the 9-year conflict. Help Yemen's children. In 9 years of war have left more than 18 million people in desperate need of food, water, and life-saving assistance. And second, millions of Yemens faced with spread displacement in food and insecurity and limited access to basic services. In 2023, Save the Children and reached and 1.8 million people in Yemen, including 1 million in children. In 9 years of deadly conflict in Yemen has less than 11 million children struggling to survive. Escalations of conflict and burgers and unconfessed economy have pushing in 80% of the population below the poverty line. The ongoing crisis has resulted in worship and malnourished with 2.2 million children suffering from acute malnutrition. Now, at a glance and crisis in Yemen, populations of Yemen is at 32.6 million. A people in need of humanitarian assistance is 18 million. A people internal discipline by crisis over 4.5 million, half of which are children. A number of attacks of school and hospital in 1 year is 89. A number of children and actually malnourished over of 22 hours past. A Save and Children has been working in Yemen since 1963 as one of the target and organizations of operating in Yemen. Since March 2015, we will reach more than 5 million children in Yemen with life-saving assistance. We'll support over 200 health facilities across Yemen to deliver vital nutrition services for babies or children and mothers. This is the example of Yemen still suffering one of the world's worst humanitarian crises. Political equality in Yemen as a political system has long been marked by inclusionary practices than the centralization of power in the hands of a few elite preliminary forms that North has marginalized southern Yemenis and other minority groups. This imbalance has fueled separatist and commitments in the southern and expanding regional divides. Human rights in violation widespread violation of human rights, including arbitrary dimension of forced display and torture are rampant in Yemen, especially among groups. This abuse are a particular severe against and a political opponents, activities, journalists, and moderation community.